Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Let me start. Good morning. Last time we have discussed about the differential equation. In that we will see the how to solve a differential equation. That is the method of solving the differential equation. There are the few methods to solve the differential equation. First method is variable separable. Second method is reduced to variable separable. Third method is homogeneous. Then fourth method is non-homogeneous. Then linear differential equation, exact and reduced to exact differential equation. Okay. Whatever the any equation we are given, any equation. Okay. In that equation, so any equation we are given. So first of all, we check whether the given equation is linear, whether degree of x is 1 or degree of y is 1. Then we check if linear is not possible, then we check variable separable form. Then third we check variable separable form. F of x dx plus f of y dy is equal to 0. We can easily write down the function in terms of x and function in terms of y. Then third, if this case is also not possible, then we use homogeneous differential equation. And after the homogeneous differential equation, if we just got the equation, if degree is same, dy by dx is m upon n, having same degree. Then we put just y is equal to vx and solve it, we got the required answer. Then a non-homogeneous differential equation. A non-homogeneous differential equation, we got that two terms. One is something common factor, put that common factor as u, and next put x equal to capital X, capital X plus h, and y equal to capital Y plus k. Okay. So first of all, we check LD, then variable separable, then homogeneous, then non-homogeneous. After that, the last we are check exact differential equation. Okay. M dx plus n dy. It satisfies the condition dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. And last, non-exact. Non-exact means reduced to exact differential equation. There are some few cases. What is the first case? If the differential equation is homogeneous, then we are solved by using x dot m plus y dot n. We have got the IF. Okay. Then if the differential equation in the form of y of f of xy, note this thing. This is a function of xy. Then plus x into f of xy dy. So what is the integrating factor? Is 1 upon x dot m minus y dot n. Okay. Then next, what is the third case? What is the third case? Third case, if dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Okay. First of all, we calculate this dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. If this ratio easily we can convert in terms of, or we can easily common term in m and n. If easily common term in n, then we always write down that here n. So this is a function of x. And what is the IF? IF you got e raised to integration f of x dx. And fourth one, if this ratio dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, if there is some common term, अशी काही term येईल की ज्याच्यामध्ये तो m मध्ये common असेल, तर we are just divide by m and we can take minus sign. This is a function of y. So this IF we got e raised to integration f of y dy. Okay. So these are the some method to find solution of differential equation. So we see one by one. Without practice तुम्ही काहीच करू शकत नाही. त्याच्यामुळे होता येईल तेवढी जास्त प्रॅक्टिस करताल तेवढं तुमच्यासाठी चांगलं आहे. ओके. सगळं क्लिअर झाले? कोणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम? So this is 70% of unit. 70% युनिट आपण संपवलेलं आहे या ठिकाणी. येस, एनीबडी प्लीज टेल मी, एनी प्रॉब्लेम? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay. So we just start with the next topic. That is the next part. That is the application of differential equation. Next part, how do you start? Application of differential equation. So today we try to end this first part in application. We take continue 2 lecture and we try to finish that first point. Okay. So application of differential equation. So anybody where this differential equation is used? Yes. Anybody where this differential equation we are used?
Newton's law of cooling.
Very good, Pawan. Newton's law of cooling. Yes, just the one application, Newton's law of cooling. What about the other?
Rate of increasing population.
Okay, rate of decay, rate of increasing means you have see that radioactive material. Okay, decreasing, increasing. Very good.
Rate of decay of microorganisms.
Oh, okay. That we can consider that. Na, rate of decay or rate of increasing. We have considered both way. One is a chemical problem and one is a rate of decay. Means if instead of this population we can take microorganism, instead of this microorganism we take one any type of particular thing. Instead of this microorganism, instead of this particular thing, we are take any uranium particular anything we are say. Okay? Either it is a decreasing or either it is increasing. Population is increasing and whatever the material will be decreasing. Okay. Yes, very good. Surface area. Anuja, tell me what is the surface where we are using that differential equation in surface area? How we use in surface area? Yes. Yes, Anuja.
Yes, sir.
How we use
कोणचा व्हॉल्यूम काढण्यासाठी?
कोणचा व्हॉल्यूम काढण्यासाठी? मग स्पेअर कोन सिलेंडर मध्ये कोणचं व्हॉल्यूम काढण्यासाठी डायरेक्टली फॉर्म्युला आहे का आपल्याकडे? व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन.
सर हॅलो सर.
हा बोला ऐकतो.
सर ते सरफेस एरिया आपण वॉटर ड्रॉपलेट पाण्यात पडल्यावर तिथं सर्कल तयार होतो तेव्हा वापरतो.
नाही, मी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन बद्दल बोलतोय.
तेच सर रेडियस इनक्रीज होत असते.
रेडियस घेताना.
Okay, रेडियस घेताना इनक्रीज होताना. Okay. We all see that one type of application of differential equation in a civil engineering field. Civil engineering, that is the bending of beam. We have seen that load of beam and lot of type of capacity we have checked in civil engineering. In the differential equation, that is one part is surface area. One part is surface area. Okay, I want that perfect answer. Okay, no problem. Yes, is that statistic मध्ये. Okay, how we in statistic, how we do the analysis? Yes. Yes, काय कुठे पाहिलंय का तुम्ही स्टॅटिस्टिक मध्ये? In statistics, very important thing is one point that is called as linear line. That equation is y is equal to mx, or we say that y is equal to f of x. In statistics, when you're doing the analysis, in that y is equal to f of x, this variable, this function, what do you say that this thing is very important. Why this is important? Because from this quantity, from this thing, we have calculated the two things. What do you calculate? Two things. One thing is a dependent variable and second is independent variable. One is a dependent variable and another is a independent variable. So this only this terms y is equal to f of x, याच्यावरती खूप काही स्टॅटिस्टिक डिपेंड आहे. आजकाल बिझनेस स्टॅटिस्टिक मध्ये त्याचा खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात यूज होतोय. आता माझं लेक्चर त्यावर चाललं नाही तर मी तुम्हाला आज कमीत कमी 2 तास त्याच्यावर बोलू शकतो आपण डिपेंडेंट आणि इंडिपेंडेंट व्हेरिएबल वरती. म्हटलं एक उदाहरण देतो तुम्हाला. एक कंपनी आहे ती काय करते, बॉल मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग करते. काय करते, एक बॉलचं मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग करते. तर ह्यासाठी तुम्हाला लागणार आहे मीन, व्हेरियन्स अँड स्टँडर्ड डेव्हिएशन. ओके, त्याबद्दल मी आपण नाही घेत जाऊ, सोडून द्या. ओके, that is a part of this. All concept is containing in the huge concept. This concept in latest that is called as data science. आता सध्याला खूप फेमस ब्रांच आहे डेटा सायन्स. तर त्या जे ते म्हणते मला डेटा सायन्स करायचं, जे ते म्हणते मला डेटा सायन्स करायचं, उठलं तर म्हणतो डेटा सायन्स म्हणजे करायचं. डेटा सायन्स इज नॉट अ easiest thing and not a toughest thing. Just we think, we just know the concept of the mathematics, and using that concept of the mathematics we applicable some what do you say that, some analysis, some thought process, and from that thought we use some model, and from this model, from this mathematics we are take some analysis, or we are predict something. Data science is nothing but one type of prediction, when we predict something. Okay, so that is a part of तुम्ही जर पुढे फ्युचरला जाताल, ENTS असो, कॉम्प्युटर असो, मेकॅनिकल असो, कुठली ब्रँच असो, ह्यूज स्कोप आहे. त्याच्यामुळे सायमल्टेनियसली तुम्ही आता फर्स्ट इयर करा. फर्स्ट इयर करता करता तुम्हाला जर फर्स्ट इयर झाल्यानंतर म्हणजे साधारण 1-1.5 महिना वेळ असेल, त्याच्यामध्ये ह्याच्यावर स्टडी करा. म्हणजे पायथॉन, तुम्ही पायथॉन ऐकलं असेल लेटेस्ट मध्ये. पायथॉन ऐकलंय का? पायथॉन खूप म्हणजे सध्या खूप फेमस आहे. सगळेजण पायथॉन करतात. अरे पण पायथॉन काय आहे माहित नाहीये. टॅब्लो माहित नाहीये, व्हीबी माहित नाहीये, सी माहित नाही, C++ माहित नाही. तुम्हाला ते येणं आणि त्यात परफेक्शन असण्यात खूप फरक आहे. हा, तर परफेक्शन असावं माणसाने. नुसतं मला माहिती आहे त्यात उपयोग नाहीये. आता पहा, मला खूप काही गोष्टी माहिती आहे, इतक्या गोष्टी माहिती आहेत की बाबा विचारता सोय नाही, पण मला मी परफेक्ट नाहीये. मी तुम्हाला इनिशियल स्टेज सांगू शकतो बाबा याच्यात काय काय होऊ शकते. तुम्ही जेव्हा जसं तुम्ही मला म्हणतात तसं त्याच्या आतमध्ये आणखी सांगा, त्यावेळेस मला थोडासा प्रॉब्लेम येते. व्यर्थ बोलण्यात मी सांगत नाही की मला खूप काही येतं, असं नाहीये. मी परफेक्ट नाहीये, ओरले सांगतो मला. हा, मी ठराविक ठिकाणी परफेक्ट आहे, ते तुम्हाला मी डायरेक्टली घेऊन जातो, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. पण परफेक्शन असलं महत्वाचं आहे. तुम्हाला नाही का 10 लँग्वेज येऊन उपयोग नाहीये, पण तुम्हाला 4च लँग्वेज परफेक्ट आले, परफेक्टली तुम्हाला अंडरस्टँड, परफेक्टली तुम्हाला काय करता आलं, तर दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. नुसतं 10 लँग्वेज तुमच्याकडे सर्टिफिकेशन आहे, 10 लँग्वेजचा उपयोग नाही काही ना. एखादं म्हणलं सर मला मॅटलॅब येतं, मॅटलॅबमध्ये मला मी म्हणतो सिम्युलेशन करा, कुठेतरी तुम्ही गोंधळतात. मग एखादं म्हणतो सी करा, चला सी मध्ये मी तुम्हाला पॉइंटरला घेऊन गेलो, पॉइंटरमध्ये प्रॉब्लेम करतात. बाबा पॉइंटरमध्ये तुम्हाला ऍड्रेसच घेता येत नसेल तर काय उपयोग आहे तुमच्या त्या पॉइंटरचा. एखाद्याला म्हणलं चला बाबा मला नाही का .NET येतं, .NEट म्हणजे नेमकी काय, that is a concept na, actually the big concept. Okay, we are moved towards our original part. Okay, so these are the some application of this differential equation. The next Sakshi says that the variation of the physical quantities such as velocity displacement, okay, no problem, it's a one type of application of the derivative. Okay, very good. Actually the type of derivative concept na. Okay, what about the other one concept is Newton's law of cooling, second is electric circuit, and last year we have seen engineering mechanics, we have seen one application. Yes, anybody in engineering mechanics, what is study? Yes.
Slope.
Yes, Nikita.
Slope of the tangent by derivative.
Okay. So my question is, Nikita.
Falling object.
Very good, Pranali. My question is, in engineering mechanics, what is studied? We have see that how to calculate in dynamics. Basically, static is a very simple course, simple term. That is in mechanics there are the two parts. One is engineering mechanics. There is a divided into two parts. One is a static, and another is dynamic. The static course is very simple. Anybody can teach this static force. But what about the dynamic? Dynamic is that concept where we use a lot of forces. The concept, a lot of concept, lot of imagination, forces that one person says that the falling body. Suppose आता माझं वजन नाही का 90 के मला वरून फेकलं, मला एका पर्टिक्युलर हाईटने फेकलं तर मला काय होणार? ऑब्विसली माझ्याकडे पॅराशूट नसेल तर काय होणार? मी खाली येऊन माझं रामराम सत्य होणार, बरोबर आहे. पण तेच जर नाही का, तेच जर माझ्याकडे काही जर गोष्टी असतील तर फरक आहे. एक ए पुरुष आहे आणि एक ए पार्टिकल आणि बी पार्टिकल आहे. एकाचं वजन 90 केजी आहे आणि दुसऱ्याचं वजन 40 केजी आहे, बरोबर आहे. 90 केजी 40 केजी. कुठला पार्टिकल लवकर खाली येईल, 90 का 40 चा?
दोन्हीला वेळ सेमच लागेल.
दोन्हीला सेम.
दोन्हीला वेळ सेमच लागेल.
येस सर.
काहीतरी फरक असेल की थोडाफार?
नाही सर, ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स मुळे.
बरं ओके. मग ह्या 90 ला आणि 40 ला दोन्ही, आता एक तुम्ही खूप चांगले मला म्हटले फोर्सेस, किती प्रकारचे फोर्सेस ऍक्ट होतात? किती प्रकारचे फोर्सेस ऍक्ट होतात जरा चला.
ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स
ओके, 1G ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स. ओके, डाऊन टू द अर्थ, बरोबर ना? डाऊन टू द अर्थ म्हणजे अर्थला खेचण्याचा प्रयत्न करेल. बरं, ओके. पुढचा फोर्स,
इनर्शिया.
हा,
इनर्शिया.
movement of inertia. What do you say that? Yes. What do you say that? Yes.
आहे सर.
कुठला?
कॅपिटल आहे.
MI सर ना.
Okay, there are the just wait. I will say there are three type of forces. Very simple. मला physics concept शिकायचं नाही, मला मेकॅनिक्स concept शिकायचं नाही तुम्हाला इथे. Very simple way of forces we have see that. One force is gravitational force. Second force is air existence. जो हवेतला फोर्स आहे तो, त्याला हवा पण विरोध करेल ना. And third force is body itself. Just the three type of forces we act. Three type of forces वरून आपण एक differential equation तयार करणार. That is called as equation of motion. Okay, and from this equation, Pooja, from this equation of motion, okay, just wait, just wait. Just wait, friend. Just few minutes more. Just wait. So what about the another application? Okay, these are the application. We have see that. Now we start with the just we have see that some topic we have see or some quick revision on that topic. So what is the first derivative? So where this derivative is used? Yes. Where this derivative is used? Hello. 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 Is my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Ah, yes. Where this derivative is used? Yes. काका ती नको काका ती नको ती खिडकी नाही ती खिडकी सोडून सगळ्या बंदायचं कुठला पलीकडचं जिने पण उडा लागेल इकडून जावं लागेल मग ही आपली बदला पुढची खालची बदला की आपल्या पुढची खालची आपल्या हॉलचं हा जाळी एकच मिनिट जस्ट वेट अ मिनिट जस्ट वेट just sorry for that. It is a lot of disturbance from my side. Extremely sorry. Extremely sorry. So just we are start with that application. Just a bit. Okay, so application of differential equation, we are just with that the derivative. So we see that the derivative concept is dy by dx. The derivative is nothing but what? Derivative is nothing but what? The derivative is nothing but what? Well, derivative is nothing but. Hello? Hello? Is my voice audible or not? Hello? Please reply.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes, sir.
So what a derivative is nothing but what? The tangent. The slope of the tangent at particular point P. So at P, dy by dx at P, the slope of tangent at P. Then next, the angle between two curves Angle between two curves. Angle between two curves. What is the angle between two curves? Yes, how to find angle between two curves? Yes. How to find angle between two curves? Hello? Yes. Yes, how to find angle between two curves? So this is the first curve, this is second curve, and we have find the tangent from this, and this is make an angle some theta. So how to find the theta? How to find theta? How to find theta? Yes. Hello? How to find theta? Okay, just you are not responding, just I will teach you, no problem. So theta is nothing but theta is equal to, तुम्ही रिस्पॉन्स देत नाही मग तुमच्या मी क्वेश्चनला पण उत्तर देणार मी हे नाहीये आधी सांगतो तुम्ही रिस्पॉन्स द्या मी तुम्हाला क्वेश्चनचं उत्तर देणार थीटा इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स ऑफ m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So where this m1 and m2 are b slope of tangent. Lecture हा परत कधी येणार तुम्ही मला ओके चालते ओके सर चालू मी लेक्चर कंटिन्यू करू मला लेक्चर मी तुम्हाला ओके काय प्रॉब्लेम घ्या ओके हाँ so where m1 and m2 be the slope of line or something, sometimes we have said that y is equal to f1 of x or f of x and y equal to g of x, the two function. Then the theta we can note that theta is equal to tan inverse of f dash of x minus g dash of x divided by 1 plus f dash of x into g dash of x. There are some note for this angle. First note, if theta is equal to 0, theta is 0 असेल. Yes. If theta is equal to 0, yes. If theta is equal to 0, then m1 equal to m2. And second, if theta equal to pi by 2, then m1 into m2 is equal to -1. म्हणजे याला आपण म्हणू शकतो two tangent perpendicular to each other. Two tangent are perpendicular to each other. Or this is called as condition of orthogonality. Is m1 into m2 is equal to -1. This is a condition of orthogonality. Okay. For MCQ, one question asked for this topic, slope, angle between two curves, or what is the condition of orthogonality. Okay. So we are go to the next page. झाले सगळ्यांचं?
1 minute, sir.
Okay.
झालं सर.
So just recall some important
1
results.
minute, sir. Yes, sir. Sir.
We recall some important result. So what is the equation of straight line? First, equation of straight line. Equation of straight line. What is the equation of straight line?
ax plus dy equal to c.
Y is equal to mx plus c. Then equation of circle. So there are two forms. First form is center hk and radius r. Radius r. So you got that x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. Then B option. So center at 0 0 and radius r. This is equal to x square plus y square equal to r square. Or sometimes C option. Center is same. Center at origin and radius 1 is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is called as unit circle. Third, equation of rectangular hyperbola. Equation of rectangular hyperbola. Equation of rectangular hyperbola. Fourth, equation of ellipse. Fifth, parabola. Okay, equation of rectangular hyperbola. Yes. Okay, you are not responding. X square minus y square is equal to r square. Equation of ellipse. Equation of ellipse.
सर ते इज इक्वल टू 1 असतं ना इक्वेशन मध्ये.
सर माइक म्यूट है.
Okay, over झालं का इक्वेशन ऑफ इलिप्स काढून? Okay, इक्वेशन इलिप्स झालं. So what about the parabola? What about the parabola? Yes.
y square equal to 4ax.
Okay, just we draw the line, draw the curve. First curve second curve, third curve, fourth curve, okay. So चला हा कुठला कर्व झाला? हा कुठला कर्व झाला? Yes, what is this curve? What is the equation of this curve? What is the equation of this curve? We know that
X square equal to 4by.
Carefully, what is the equation of this curve? Carefully.
Y square minus 4AS.
Carefully. Y square is equal to 4x. This is the curve of this.
सर माईक म्यूट झालं.
Then next, what about this? आता जो हा असतो त्याच्या एक्झॅक्टली अपोजिट हा असतो तो मायनस असतो. That is the minus this. What is the minus this? Y square is equal to minus 4x. Then next. Then this x square is equal to
4by.
4ay. चला a ठेवू काय फरक पडत नाही. And what about the last? Last is
X square is equal to
minus 4ay.
minus 4.
So these are the four parabolic equation. What is the first equation? First equation is y square is equal to 4x. Second equation, y square is equal to minus 4ax. Then x square is equal to, obviously this is a straight line, na? This will go to the straight line. It is parallel to the x-axis. This is parallel to x-axis. That is how we are at on the x in terms of x. Okay, x square equal to 4ay and x square equal to minus 4ay. So these are the four parabolic equations. Okay, so these are the some concept of this. What is it that? Just recall some concept already we have seen. These 2 pages. 2 pages आपण कुठे ऑलरेडी करू शिकलोत 12वी पर्यंत, बरोबर आहे का? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
ओके. चालेल सगळ्यांचं? पुढच्या पेजला जाऊ का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we start with the first application. First application, that is orthogonal trajectory. Orthogonal trajectory. Okay. So orthogonal trajectory is nothing but two family of a curve for orthogonal trajectory. We just see that a bit. What is the definition of orthogonal trajectory? Orthogonal trajectory. Two family of a curve is said to be orthogonal if every member of either family, cuts each member of the other family at right angle. Suppose we are considered one equation that is x square plus y square equal to a square, and another equation is y is equal to mx. So in that, suppose this is a circular image. This equation is x square plus y square equal to a square, and this is nothing but y is equal to mx. So each family member cuts with each other at right angle. So these are the orthogonal trajectory. Mostly this is orthogonal trajectory is used in electrical field. The path along which the current flow are the orthogonal trajectory. ओके, जर सपोज आपण जर नाही का एक फील्ड इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड घेतली आणि त्या ठिकाणी असं कर्व पास होतोय, तर हे जे दोन कर्व आहेत एकमेकाला जे क्रॉस करतायत ह्या ठिकाणी काय तयार होतोय, 90 डिग्री तयार होतो. म्हणून ह्याला काय म्हणतात, ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रॅजेक्टरी म्हणतात. त्याला काय म्हणतात, ऑर्थोगोनल ट्रॅजेक्टरी. These are the some concept of the orthogonal trajectory. ओके झालंय. हॅलो हॅलो झालंय का?
No, sir.
1 minute, sir.
ओके ओके. माझी बुक आहे. Over. Now, how we solve this example? That is the important. So this is some recall something that is we know that the formation of differential equation. फॉर्मेशन माहिती आहे ना, म्हणजे परत दोन टाइप आहेत. ऑर्थोट्रॅजेक्टरी परत दोन टाइप आहेत. एक म्हणजे कार्टेशियन, सेकंड म्हणजे पोलर. सो फर्स्ट टाइप इज a Cartesian, second type is polar. So how we check that polar and Cartesian coordinate? How we solve this? So पहिल्यांदा इक्वेशन दिला असेल, सपोज y is equal to mx. त्याला डिफरन्शिएट करायचं म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा काय फॉर्म डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन फॉर्म करायचा म्हणजे काय करायचा, m रिमूव्ह करायचा. तो m रिमूव्ह करण्यासाठी तुम्ही काय करणार, नंबर ऑफ टाइम डिफरन्शिएट करणार. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिफरन्शिएट dy by dx is equal to derivative of m is m into x. X derivative 1. So we got that m. So we just put the value of m. So what is value of m from this equation? Which is y by x is equal to m. So dy by dx is equal to y by x. So just now the next step is just we are replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. This step is very important. मला स्टार करून ठेवतो. ओके, जस्ट वी राईट डाउन. झाले का सगळ्यांचं हे? झालंय का? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so write down that to find the equation of orthogonal trajectory. To find the equation of orthogonal trajectory, first is rectangular Cartesian coordinate system y is equal to f of x. Second is polar coordinate system r equal to f of theta. In rectangular coordinate system y is equal to f of x. Just we write down the equation in terms of y is equal to f of x. Find the number of arbitrary constant, number of parameter a. The differentiate above equation. Differentiate above equation with respect to x, we get in the form of dy by dx and try to remove that parameter. Try to remove that parameter. I mean, this is called as formation of differential equation. This process is called as what? Formation of differential equation. In 12th standard we have seen. Okay. And this third step is very important. Replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. Replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. And solve by using method of differential equation. We get the family of orthogonal trajectories. So how we solve by using method of differential equation? There are some method. So few method are there. So what is the few method? One is a variable separable, linear, mostly variable separable. Sometimes we use homogeneous. Sometimes we use homogeneous. Okay. So these are the concept. So in next lecture means 12:45. परत आपण 12:45 ला भेटू. 12:45 ला परत आपण याच्यावरचे example. We have see the example on this rectangular and polar coordinate. So this step is very important. What? Replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. This step, third step is very important. Okay. So today we stop here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you very much.